Discuss how to write answers and how can we divide it into 150 words. Alright, so that is what we are going to discuss today. So I hope everyone is available and you can hear me, you can see me, and everything is going absolutely fine. So without further ado, let us get started on how we can divide uh, basically everything into like questions which can be answered in 150 words. So that is the agenda for today. So ये बाद में आप बेस्ट so okay, we will discuss that in our plus course. So we will discuss best answer writing practices today. But पिछली एक हमारी स्पेशल क्लास छूट गई थी. So if you can hear me, you can see me. आवाज़ आ रही है? सब बढ़िया, सब लाइफ में सेट है. So last time, last Thursday को I could not take this special class. Okay, so एक वो भी है. How to attempt 85 plus questions, if you remember that. So that is a very very important class. बट इसमें हम बेस्ट आंसर राइटिंग प्रैक्टिस अपनी कवर करेंगे अच्छे से उसको. एंड सबको आवाज़ आ रही है मेरी? सो इफ एवरी कैन वन कैन हियर मी, सो आई वेलकम ऑल ऑफ यू टू टुडेज क्लास. एंड इट्स गोइंग टू बी ऑन बेस्ट आंसर राइटिंग प्रैक्टिसेस, हाउ यू कैन राइट ग्रेट आंसर्स. So that is what we are going to cover today. So if you are excited about this, give me a thumbs up. So if any one of you can hear me, so then please give me a thumbs up right now. सो इट्स गोइंग टू बी अ ग्रेट क्लास. आंसर राइटिंग प्रैक्टिस डिस्कस करेंगे. बट वो चालू होने से पहले मैं आपको एक बहुत बड़ी न्यूज़ देना चाहता हूँ कि मेरा जो 2 साल का करंट अफेयर का कोर्स है, सो दैट इज़ अवेलेबल नाउ. ऑलराइट, सो दैट कोर्स इज़ अवेलेबल नाउ एंड एनी वन ऑफ यू कैन एनरोल इन दैट कोर्स. सो दैट्स गोइंग टू बी अ लाइक अ ब्लास्टर कोर्स. तो उसमें हम क्या करेंगे, लास्ट 2 साल के जो करंट अफेयर्स हैं उसके करीब 2500 MCQs टाइप्स, 2500 MCQs उसके अपन कवर कर लेंगे. एंड दैट विल बी एब्सोल्युटली अमेजिंग फॉर एनी एस्पिरेंट हु इज प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर एनी ऑफ द फोर्थ कमिंग एग्जाम्स. ऑलराइट, अभी मेरा एक एनवायरनमेंट का कोर्स चल रहा है, उसमें भी जा सकते हो. एक स्ट्रैटेजी कोर्स चल रहा है, उसके अलावा ऐसे राइटिंग का कोर्स चल रहा है. सो काफ़ी सारे कोर्सेज हैं, बट दैट्स गोइंग टू बी अ अमेजिंग कोर्स. तो 2500 MCQs उसमें हम कवर करेंगे. सो इट विल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम 7th of February. So any one of you who wants to enroll, so this is the link for that course. तो ठीक है, सो चालू करते हैं हमारा डिस्कशन आज का. इट्स गोइंग टू बी अ अमेजिंग क्लास. आई होप एवरीवन लाइक्स इट. हाउ टू राइट great answers, so that is what we are going to discuss. So how to write great answers, what are the best answer writing practices, what differentiates a normal aspirant from a great aspirant, and so on and so forth. ठीक है, तो क्या डिफरेंस होता है, क्या है, कैसे होता है, क्या ऐसी कोई ट्रिक्स हैं जो आप अच्छा आंसर लिखने में आपकी एक्चुअली हेल्प करती हैं. सो दीज आर द पॉइंट्स विच आई एम गोइंग टू डिस्कस टुडे. सो आई होप एवरीवन कैन सी द पीपीटी नाउ, so which I am posting. So I have downloaded it and I am just uploading it right now. So चले. So best answer writing practices, that's what we are going to discuss. So I hope yeah, it's available and everyone can see me. So let us get started with our discussion today on best answer writing practices. It's going to help you in mains examination. Obviously it is not going to help you at all in your prelims examination. So Nambiar is asking, sir, from where to obtain cheap NCRTs? They are available free of cost online. I am confused trying to select between English and history optional. Please guide me what to do. So everyone is confused in optional. You take whatever optional you want. Okay. So it's like going to casino. It doesn't matter where you bet. You'll like house will always win. All right. So whichever optional you choose, it's going to be good or bad, and it depends on totally like your preference, etc. So this is my course which is going to start. So as you can see 2500 plus MCQs and उससे ज़्यादा ही होंगे, उससे कम नहीं होंगे. And this will cover like the past 2 years current affairs from April 2018 till April 2020. All right, and we are going to start from 7th. So we are going to start from 7th February, and we will continue this course till at least 23rd May. Okay, so it's going to be an absolutely great course. So do enroll in this, and if you want to enroll, you can just use my name as a code Roman Seni, and it will give you instantaneous 10% off. So either go for 1 year or 2 year, depending on your requirements. So whenever we discuss about how to write a great answer, so what does it actually entails? How do you actually write a great answer? So great answer is something which is always written in bullet points by and large. All right, it has all the keywords and phrases which are needed. It has a body. Rarely it can have a conclusion also. Okay, it is to the point. It is not distracting the examiner. It is within the word limit. Is it absolutely clear? So you can write to the point and still you can write more. It has to be written in bullet points. It should have keywords and phrases. All right. It should be absolutely to the point. All right. It should have within the word limit. Okay. So extremely important. It should have diagrams, flowcharts if applicable. It should have a body. It should have a conclusion. Okay. And it should be written in legible handwriting. All right. And it should have some words, phrases highlighted. Okay. And it should be written in a middle path kind of a tone. All right, so it should have pros, cons, should have constructive criticism, redressal mechanisms. Okay, it should be overtly optimistic. आई होप आप समझ पा रहे हो. तो कुछ फीचर्स हैं जो मैंने आंसर्स के यहाँ पे लिखे हैं. तो अगर ये कोई फॉलो करता है तो उसका अच्छा चांस होता है सिलेक्शन होने का. इफ यू फॉलो दीज पॉइंट्स व्हिच आई एम ट्राइंग टू कन्वे. The great answers are those answers which are written in bullet points. A lot of students write it in the paragraph forms. I don't like it. Okay, they usually don't work that well. So bullet points में होते हैं. Is it absolutely clear? तो एक तो bullet points में होते हैं. ठीक है. मैं यहाँ पे essay writing की बात नहीं कर रहा हूँ. मैं answer writing की बात कर रहा हूँ. Essay writing बिल्कुल opposite होता है इसका. जो essay writing होता है that is basically done in the form of paragraphs and lines. Answers are written in the form of bullet points. Even if you have to write for art and culture, ancient history, it doesn't matter. You can form bullet points in that. All right, so that is like pretty clear and pretty straightforward. Okay, so you can remember that. Then you have keywords and phrases, so that is also extremely important. So keywords and phrases is extremely important. So you don't write garbage. Is it absolutely clear? बुलेट पॉइंट्स में भी लिख सकते हो कि DDLJ, शाहरुख खान, काजोल, अमरीश पुरी. So they are also bullet points, but you can't write that. All right. So you have to write keywords and phrases. Okay. So I'll give you some examples of answer writing also. We can discuss this. It should have a body and conclusion. Okay. So IBC is the format. Introduction, body, conclusion. Usually GS में आपका इतना बड़ा पेपर होता है कि आपको इंट्रोडक्शन लिखने का टाइम नहीं मिलेगा. Is it absolutely clear? So that is what I have personally observed. Introduction लिखने का उतना टाइम होता नहीं है. So you have time for body and conclusion. I'll also take some plus courses. तो इस पे एक आंसर राइटिंग पे मेरा एक प्लस कोर्स चलता है. अभी तो सिर्फ ऐसे राइटिंग पे लॉन्च किया. एक आंसर राइटिंग पे अलग से लॉन्च करूंगा मैं. तो उसमें प्री के बाद तो उसमें अपन अच्छे से आंसर लिखना सीखेंगे. उसमें मैं खुद के भी एग्जांपल्स दूंगा, प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन पेपर्स के एग्जांपल भी दूंगा. फिर it has to be to the point. So again, thank you Surendra, thank you so much. Thank you for the birthday wishes. Anyway, so it has to be to the point. All right, it has to be absolutely to the point. Then it has to be within the word limit. So a lot of people, what they do is, thank you Kartikeya, thank you Pavan. So 150 वर्ड्स की बजाय वो क्या करते हैं, 200, 250, 300 वर्ड्स लिख देते हैं. ऑल राइट. सो 150 वर्ड्स की बजाय दे राइट 200 to 250 वर्ड्स. इज इट एब्सोल्युटली क्लियर? फिर चालू हो गए. हाँ. So anyway, so every Thursday I have a birthday. Every Thursday 10:30 p.m. I have birthdays. Anyway, so I hope all these points are absolutely clear, and it should have diagrams, flowcharts, etc. So legible, it has to have highlight, etc. So all these are like extremely important points. Always write it in the form of middle path. Don't go into either of the extreme. And but all this is fine. But let's say you don't know what to write, then you need to have a lot of fodder material. Is it absolutely clear? So it will help you. Okay. So fodder material is always like absolutely great for your existence. Fodder material is like water. Okay. You might need it for 20 different things in a day, isn't it? So water can be used in cooking, water can be used in bathing, water can be used to flush, water can be used to brush, water can be used for shave, isn't it? Water can be used for cooking. So fodder material is like water जहाँ जरूरत है छिड़क दो. All right. See, tables, etc., are not recommended in essay. Essay writing is more about your expression, which has to come solely through words. If you put tables, graphs, charts, it doesn't look essay as much as it should. Okay, तो बस ये याद रख लेना. That will definitely help you. So fodder material में आपको पता ही होगा. So we have enough fodder material. So जैसे अगर आप पे कोई पूछे, so I can give you some example. Okay, so I'll copy paste some fodder material for you. So let us say you have aid assistant advice, right? So I'll just copy paste and I'll pin it if I can. So fodder material चिपकाया था मैंने, आप ऊपर ले गए. तो जैसे aid assistant advice. So this is a very good fodder material which a lot of people use, like aid assist advice etc. So 3 A's होता है, जहाँ पे भी जगह मिले चिपका दो. फिर जैसे dialogue, deliberation, discussion, information, education, communication. So any government scheme, whenever you're discussing about any government scheme whatsoever, so you can just write this IEC, right? So this should be more than sufficient. So information, then education and communication. Is that absolutely clear? So you have information, then you have education, and then you have communication. All right. So information, education and communication. So ये घर गवर्नमेंट स्कीम में एक लाइन होती है बढ़िया सी कि वी आर डिस्कसिंग इंफॉर्मेशन एजुकेशन कम्युनिकेशन एंड सो ऑन एंड सो फोर्थ. So we should promote information, education, communication among the masses. So whichever scheme you take, you can use this phrase. Then whenever you're talking about social sector scheme, it always talks about accessibility, affordability, availability, right? So वहाँ पे जो 3 A's आते हैं, they are like accessibility, availability, and affordability. All right. So that is also there. Then you have peace, prosperity, people, friend, philosopher, guide. Speech should be like eloquent, encouraging, engaging. Then you have accessibility, collaboration, cooperation, communication. Disaster management में आता है जैसे build back better. फिर disaster management में आता है आपका relief, rescue, rehab, reconstruction, reintegration. फिर disaster management की policy होनी चाहिए जैसे preemptive, proactive, thoughtful, long term, right? PPTL बोलते हैं उसको. So that is called as PPTL. All right. So preemptive, proactive, thoughtful, long term. तो आप पॉइंट समझ रहे हो ना मेरे, काफी इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट्स हैं. दिस विल हेल्प यू इन एवरीथिंग अंडर द सन. सो बेसिकली और भी बहुत सारे, जैसे काइट इकोनॉमी बोलते हैं इंडिया को, नॉलेज इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी बेस्ड आईपी फोकस्ड entrepreneurial led economy, kite economy. Okay, so knowledge, information technology, intellectual property, and finally entrepreneurial led. Then whichever scheme you talk about, whichever issues you talk about, whichever act you talk about, who is the worst sufferer? So answer is always poor, weak, vulnerable, and marginalized. Have you heard about this phrase from me? So it is called as poor, weak, vulnerable, and marginalized. All right. So poor, weak, vulnerable, marginalized people are the worst sufferer in whatever happens. Okay. So extremely, extremely important. So poor, weak, vulnerable, and marginalized. So that is crucial. So please remember that. Anyway, though there is infinite fodder material, then let us say India Prime Minister Narendra Modi had said this earlier that our mobility का मतलब होता है transportation, human mobility, logistics, etc. So it has to be cutting edge, clean, charge, congestion free, convenient, connected and common. Okay. So ये काफी common 7 C's बोलते हैं ना उसका. Have you heard about this? So 7 C's of mobility. Have you heard about this? So 7 C's of mobility by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. That common, okay, it has to be cutting edge, it has to be clean, right? It has to be charged. So basically काफी कुछ है इसमें, जैसे congestion free, convenient, okay, connected. So all these are like very very important points. So if you know this, then you can drop these keywords everywhere you want, isn't it? जहाँ पे भी आपको जगह मिले आप ये सारे ड्रॉप कर देना. ओके. So common, cutting edge, clean, charge, congestion free, connected, convenient, etc. Other are also there like prediction, prevention, protection, preparedness. A civil servant should always be ऐसा बोलते हैं ना, मतलब non partition, like honest. So different keywords, phrases, etc. can be framed very easily. So please remember that facts. All right. So from again, like I'll take some questions. So again, you don't need to purchase cheap NCRTs. You can download them for free. Gautam Parik is saying, thank you so much, sir, for this awesome platform. Chandra. Thank you, Gautam. Can you please tell your contact number and you're contacting me right now? Please elaborate on keywords like discuss, comment, etc. Hmm. So basically, ultimately speaking, there are some keywords. Let's say enumerate. So enumerate literally means that you write all the fundamental duties. Okay. So that is literally means enumeration. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 number बता दो. Then but most of them like discuss, explain, critically analyze, etc. आप लिख के वही आते हो जो आपको आता है, isn't it? एक thumbs up दे दो अगर if you agree with what I say. All the IAS officers will agree with me what I am trying to say here. कि ये discuss, analyze, examine, shed light, critically analyze, pros and cons, ये ले दे के लिख के वही आते हैं. Is it absolutely clear? Compare, contrast, होता है, फर्क होता है. जैसे कंपेयर कॉन्ट्रास्ट में सिमिलैरिटी डिफरेंसेस दोनों बताने होते हैं. जैसे इन्यूमरेट का मतलब होता है सिर्फ लिस्ट बतानी होती है. इज इट क्लियर? बट अल्टीमेटली डिस्कस, एग्जामिन, एनालाइज, इसमें आप ज़्यादा कुछ कर नहीं सकते. इज इट एब्सोल्युटली क्लियर? डिस्कस, एनालाइज, एग्जामिन एक्सेट्रा, ये जो भी वर्ड्स होंगे इसमें ज़्यादा आपके पास कोई स्कोप है नहीं उतना कुछ करने का या कुछ उखाड़ने का. आई होप यू विल रिमेंबर दैट. बट आई हैव मेड different points altogether. Okay. So that is true. Anyway, so let us move forward. So someone is asking, पता नहीं क्यों पूछ रहे हो मेरे से आप. So pneumo, ultra microscopic, silico, volcano, coniosis. किसने पूछा है? Ankit Nag is asking, can you talk about this? Pneumo, ultra microscopic, silico, volcano, coniosis. So it's nothing but when you inhale like fine silica particles from the volcano. But this is Roman Zeni. We are not discussing with Dr. Shashi Tharoor. तो थोड़ा रिलैक्स करो, राइट? तो एनीवे, सो कैन यू हैव अ डिस्कशन लास्ट 3 मंथ्स स्टार्ट लाइक हाउ मच मॉक टेस्ट और लाइन टू स्टडी. अभी 3 महीने आएंगे तब करेंगे अपन अच्छे से. सर ऐसे राइटिंग कोर्स एब्सोल्यूट बिगिनर्स कैन आल्सो ज्वाइन. यस गिरीश, एब्सोल्युटली ज्वाइन कर लो. मेरी पेन होल्डिंग स्टाइल पे ही लोड होने लग गया. कैन यू सी एवरीवन? दिस इज माय हैंड, दिख रहा है? ये 5 हैं, इसमें 5 डिजिट हैं, एक अंगूठा है, 4 फिंगर है. सी दिस. Okay, so this is just for time pass, but this is actually there. Just I hold it like really, really close. Okay, like really, really close. Okay, so you can write really fast in this handwriting. Okay, So close, hold, like really close to this, so everyone can see it. This is just for time pass. Actual pressure is by these 4 digits. All 4 of them should touch the pen. Okay. All 4 of them should touch the pen. They should not be on top of each other. So this helps a lot in writing fast. Tata is asking, none of your classes you mentioned the preparation journey is a mind game. Thanks a lot for highlighting this as it helped me a lot. Everything is a mind game. यहाँ हम कोई पत्थर थोड़ी तोड़ने बैठे हैं. ये थक जाएंगे physically. You cannot be tired physically, isn't it? It's not possible for you to be tired physically. आप समझ रहे हो सर? It's not possible for us to be tired physically. I want to join plus course, so absolutely fine. So I have essay writing course, I have science and tech course, I have environment and ecology course, strategy course, GS 500 most important topics, and I will also start 2500 plus MCQs to cover last 2 years current affairs. तो आप ये सारे के सारे कोर्स तो एक्सेस कर ही सकते हो. इसके अलावा और भी एजुकेटर्स हैं, उनके भी कोर्सेज एक्सेस कर सकते हो. सो यू जस्ट नीड टू, दिस कोर्स विल स्टार्ट 90 days फ्रॉम नाउ, रफली 7 फरवरी को, 80 days रादर. सो 70-80 दिन बाद ये कोर्स चालू होगा, तो इसमें आप एनरोल कर सकते हो. ओके. सो दिस कैन यू सी इट विल लास्ट फ्रॉम 7 फरवरी टिल 24 मई, और इसमें हम अप्रैल 2018 से लेकर के अप्रैल 2020 तक A to Z सारे करंट अफेयर्स कर लेंगे. ठीक है, जो भी इंपॉर्टेंट है ऑब्वियसली. और अगर 20 क्वेश्चन आएंगे उसमें से, तो आप ये मान लो 12 से 14 क्वेश्चन आपके उसमें से निकल जाएंगे directly indirectly. So that is you can expect. And if you want to use, you can just use my name Roman Seni as a code, right? And it will give you instantaneous 10% off. So Roman Seni is a code you can use, it will give you 10% off. Either go for 1 year or you go for 2 year. Okay, so you can download it from web instead of iOS, and then you can do. So let's talk about significance of answer writing. So unlike prelims where you follow read revise method, in mains you cannot follow the same approach. Okay, because if you don't write answers properly, it becomes virtually impossible for us to reproduce it in the examination. Is it clear? So if you don't have enough answer writing practice, it's impossible to reproduce the same in the exam hall. And reading, revising is just 50%. Rest 50% is all about writing, presentation skills. So Mara sir. So reading and revising is 50%. Rest 50% is all about writing, presentation skills, etc. So this is very very important. Okay. ज़्यादातर लोगों को लगता है कि उनको थोड़ी बहुत नॉलेज है, थोड़ा ज्ञान है, थोड़े कीवर्ड्स आते हैं, थोड़ा प्री में अच्छे नंबर आ गए तो मेंस में भी आ जाएंगे. ऐसा बिल्कुल भी नहीं है. आपने कई टॉपर्स का देखा होगा कि प्री में तो लाले पड़ जाते हैं क्रैक होने के और मेंस में टॉप कर जाते हैं, राइट? यू मस्ट हैव सीन दिस. और दूसरे तरह के टॉपर्स भी देखे होंगे, प्री में बहुत ज़्यादा नंबर ले आते हैं और मेंस में हो ही नहीं पाता. So always focus on great answer writing. So reading and revising is just 50%. Rest 50% is all about writing and presentation skills. Okay, so that is extremely critical when you talk about it. So mains is everything, all answer writing. It has to be done in a prescribed word limit. So this is extremely crucial. Always write 90% of the word limit. Is it clear? You don't even need to cross the word limit. Is it absolutely clear? समझ रहे हो ना? So 90% भी काम चल जाएगा. So you don't really need to go beyond that. So 90% should be more than sufficient. I hope this part is absolutely clear, and don't forget about it. So mains is all about answer writing within the stipulated time. So one has to practice a lot of answer writing. So dedicate at least 1.5 to 2 hours a day for this task. Okay, so at least बोल रहा हूँ 1.5 to 2 hours a day for this task has to be dedicated. Have a proper plan, be consistent in writing. So these are all extremely important, but this has to be done after the prelims examination. Is it clear? This is not to be done right now. I hope this part is clear. So अभी नहीं करना है, प्री के बाद करना है. जब 100 दिन बचेंगे आपके पास प्री से मेंस में, तो रोज 1.5 से 2 घंटा आप आराम से आंसर राइटिंग पे देना. अभी के लिए आई वुड जस्ट सजेस्ट दैट राइट वन आंसर अ डे, दैट शुड बी मोर देन सफिशिएंट. All right, so one answer per day should be more than sufficient for right now. So उतना आप कर लेना अभी के लिए. Saurabh Rawat is saying, just want to say you have changed my life completely. See you there after clearing UPSC. Where do you see me? I am not here. I have gone. So left it. But anyway, best of luck. Okay. So congratulations, sir. God bless you. Please suggest me a student for UPSC. I don't know about it. Sir, how to remember all the Ramsar sites? ओके, तो देखो और पढ़ो इसको. वूलर लेक हो गया, सोमोरिरी हो गया. देखो और पढ़ो इसमें क्या है. You have to just like remember them. Just read enough time and you'll remember it. Why do I require 2 hours to watch an English TV series episode? 1 hour, is it normal in shifts in watching English TV series? Yeah, so do one thing, watch it with subtitles. I think that should be more than sufficient. And initially आपको उनके जो lingo होगा, phrases वगैरह वो समझ में नहीं आएंगे. So that is why it might take you more time. Okay, so that is the thing which I can understand. So that's what taking you more time. So why do I require 2 hours? Because it will take some time to understand, to adjust. सर ये जो कंट्री में हो रहा है सही है आपके हिसाब से? So the verdict is still out. Let it like unfold completely. Okay. So right now don't bother about it. So क्या है कि लोग जिंदगी भर उस इसी में परेशान रहते हैं कि डोनाल्ड ट्रम्प इम्पीच हो गया, CAB आ गया, ये हो गया, वो हो गया. कभी 370 हो जाता है, कभी कुछ हो जाता है. तो एंटरटेनमेंट के लिए आप चलता रहता है आपकी लाइफ में सब कुछ. डोनाल्ड ट्रम्प इम्पीच हो ना हो आपको क्या फर्क पड़ता है उससे, राइट? आप अपनी पढ़ाई करो अच्छे से, isn't it? So you prepare for UPSC, okay? Unless you want to become a politician, that is a different thing altogether. If you want to crack UPSC, you have to follow anyway whatever government says, right? So whatever government of the day will do, that is exactly literally what you have to implement as a civil servant. Whether you're an IS officer, IPS officer, IFS officer, IRS officer, if the government of the day has passed something, you literally have to follow it unless and until you resign from it, okay? So if you want to resign from your thing, that is a different thing. But right now अभी resign कहाँ से करोगे, अभी तो घुसे ही नहीं हो अंदर. So just focus on this. Don't worry about whether Donald Trump is getting impeached or whatever is going on. Like just forget about it. Can you put intro, body, conclusion in paragraphs? Why? Just write it in bullet points. So it's always a great idea to write in bullet points. Like nothing like it. Karthike Bansal says, I'm your biggest fan. Okay, sir. Thank you if you say so. Thank you so much. कीवर्ड्स का कोर्स बना रखा है यूट्यूब पे सर ने, भारत बिल्कुल सही बात है. सर जी कैन यू प्लीज टेक स्पेशल क्लास फॉर स्पीड रीडिंग विद कॉम्प्रहेंशन. ओके सर, आई एम एबल टू राइट आंसर्स. इट इज 30 minutes. So then you start writing in 20 minutes, then it will come down to 10 minutes, then 8 minutes. It will take some time, but it will come down. Okay, it will take some time. Tips for writing a good conclusion. uh, what are the tips for writing a good conclusion is that you basically follow what is being told. Okay, so that is the number one point. And you don't introduce any new facts in between. Suddenly कोई नया fact आप नहीं दे सकते उसको. So otherwise it will create chaos. So don't ever introduce new facts. Okay. So I read in a Facebook post that you got married. If that is true, I would like to congratulate you from the bottom of my heart. I'm so happy about it. Yes, I got married. Thank you so much. Sir, please give that phrases again. Okay. Sir, I was Hindi medium study student till graduation, but now I'm changing to English medium at the right time. I want to upgrade on 23. Yeah, if you want to go for English medium, it's good. It's relatively very easy to understand English and a lot of material is available. SSC के लिए I don't know specifically, there are better educators. आपका कोई टेलीग्राम चैनल है क्या? अन अकेडमी के बहुत सारे, मेरा एज सच कोई पर्सनल टेलीग्राम चैनल नहीं है. ओके सर, आई एम a working professional. I have not started yet, so should I target 2020 or 2021? You should target 2021, if I have to be honest with you. because the time has sailed. Okay, काफी जा चुका है. Is it Apple Pencil you are using? No, I have Apple Pencil, but this is another pen tablet. This is a different device, and that's a different device. Fourth one, touch to while writing. Yes, it will keep on touching, but will not provide any support. So fifth one rather. So four तो होंगी thumb और three fingers. जो fifth finger है, जो little finger है, उसको time लगेगा. Sir, there will be problem if there is gap between 10th and 12th class. There will be demerits and views. I don't think so. कोई देखता भी है वहाँ पे. Thanks a lot for 2500 MCQ course, Roman sir, and congrats for marriage. Thank you. Sir, 113 trial is available now. No. Sir, please offer some year-end discount, also extra discount for already enrolled people. So this अभी तो कुछ नहीं मिलेगा. I don't think so. But you can use my name Roman Saini as a code, and you will get it. Okay. So Roman Saini as a code use कर लेना, and you will get it. Would you tell more about upcoming 2-year course? I just told you we will cover everything related to current affairs in the form of MCQs from April 2018 till the current affairs of April 2020. So can we use diagrams in essay? No, don't use them. Don't use them. Sir, how to control emotional diet during preparation? Sir, please help me. So ये तो थोड़ा टाइम लगेगा इसमें आपको. ओके. So इसमें थोड़ा टाइम तो लगेगा. It's not going to be easy. Okay. So this won't help you, but you have to be strong enough. Like there is nothing much which you can do about it, to be very honest. Okay. So best answer writing practice. So when to start answer writing and sources to refer, sooner the better. So first of all, start with one answer a day. So that's what I would have done. So one answer per day से आप start करो, and then you take it forward by like every day. You don't know where to take the questions, तो फिर उसके लिए previous year question papers available हैं UPSC के. If you don't know where to find the answers, then you can find the answers on Google, right? Do you agree with me? Can you write one answer a day? Do you have 15 minutes a day? 15 मिनट है आप लोगों के पास अपनी लाइफ में. जस्ट रिप्लाई वाई if you agree with me. So अगर वाई रिप्लाई कर दो जल्दी से. If all of you can take out 15 minutes from your busy schedule, okay, I think even Prime Minister of our country will be able to take out 15 minutes from his busy schedule, right, to do yoga and other things. So I am pretty sure that none of you are so busy that you cannot take out 15 minutes from your busy schedule. Okay, so when to start answer writing, what are the sources to refer? So sooner the better. Once you complete NCERT, start answering static portions and refer to previous year mains questions, try solving it, and subscribe to any good online platform. Okay, so any test series on an academy will do, or anything like that, right? So that should help you. Otherwise, you can just go to this. Lot of websites will provide you some questions, so you can just go there if you want. Now purpose is try answering like 2-3 questions. This is like after mains you should definitely go to, after prelims you should definitely go to 5 to 6. And this is very very important. Can all of you see this point? This will never happen in UPSC. This will never happen in mock test. कभी होगा नहीं है. कई एस्पिरेंट्स बोलते हैं मैंने ये वर्ड छोड़ दिया, मैंने वो छोड़ दिया. वो तो कभी होने वाला ही नहीं है. It is impossible to write a perfect answer since there are no such perfect answers. Is it absolutely clear? So it is impossible to write a perfect answers because there are no things such as called as a perfect answer. So purpose here is to improve, develop your writing and presentation skills. That's it. Okay. So purpose is just to develop your writing skills, presentation skills. You will never be able to write any perfect answer. कई लोगों को लगता है कि सर वो 10 पॉइंट थे, मैंने 8 लिख दिए, ओ हो सर दर्द हो गया, सर 2 भूल गया. एग्जामिनर को भी नहीं पता होगा कि उसमें 10 पॉइंट थे, वो आपके पर्सनल फर्रों के 10 पॉइंट हैं. डू यू अंडरस्टैंड द डिफरेंस? So don't worry about it at all. Okay. Even examiner himself will not know about this. So purpose is to improve, develop your writing and presentation skills. Do not try to write perfect answers because there is nothing called as a perfect answer. So just start writing first with whatever information you have and try to answer 2 to 3 questions initially, gradually increase it to 5 to 6. Okay. So that is the complete purpose of whatever you are doing. So that is extremely important. Now, how to write? So it will take some time for you to get hold of this writing practice, and once you are familiar, you must analyze the nature of previous year question papers. Okay. So it will take some time for you to get hold of this writing practice, and once you are familiar, you have to analyze the nature of your previous year question papers, how to go about it, everything related to that. So there are some keywords. I have another like made a separate video for these keywords. It's available on YouTube. You can find it. So that is there. Now introduction, body and conclusion is there, but the first thing which goes out, let us say आपके पास टाइम की कमी है या फिर आपके पास कंटेंट की कमी है. Okay, so if you have time की कमी, then definitely the first thing which I would eliminate is this introduction. All right. So अगर टाइम की कमी है तो सबसे पहले मैं डायरेक्टली बॉडी लिखूंगा, और अगर फिर उसके बाद टाइम मिला तो मैं कंक्लूजन लिख दूंगा. राइट. सो द फर्स्ट थिंग विच गोज आउट ऑफ द पिक्चर व्हेन यू हैव लैक ऑफ टाइम इज योर इंट्रोडक्शन. सो इंट्रोडक्शन इज समथिंग विच हैज टू बी एलिमिनेटेड इमीडिएटली. बट लेट अस से आपके पास कंटेंट की कमी है, देन आई वुड राइट इंट्रोडक्शन. इज इट एब्सोल्युटली क्लियर? एंड लेट्स से टाइम की भी कमी नहीं है और कंटेंट की भी कमी नहीं है, देन आई वुड राइट इंट्रोडक्शन, बॉडी एंड कंक्लूजन. इज इट एब्सोल्युटली क्लियर? कोई डाउट किसी को? So let us say you have enough time and enough content, मतलब आपको आता है लिखना keywords, phrases वगैरह, then I would write introduction, body and conclusion. Okay. If you have enough time but less content, then you basically write introduction as big as possible, and whatever little body and big conclusion. Okay. And if you have less time, and let us say you have more content or less content, it doesn't matter. If you have less time, then you always write body. If you have more content, then you can write conclusion. ठीक है? Is it absolutely clear? अगर टाइम कम है, अगर मान लो आपको एक आंसर लिखने के लिए 10 मिनट चाहिए होते हैं, बट आपके पास सिर्फ मान लो 6 मिनट है या 5 मिनट है, so in that case there is no point of you wasting time in introduction, because that will be absolutely counterproductive. ठीक है? So in this case, like in that case, don't write introduction at all. Sir, how to start a new person to UPSC? I think you want to ask how to start UPSC as a new aspirant. So basically, you go through the strategy course which I have made. Yeah, you go through the 6 courses which I have done. Then you will have a good grasp on an Academy Plus. Start with some NCRT, start with some Hindu summary, and try to develop your temperament. Realize that it's going to be 3 to 5 years sometimes. Okay. Atul Tiwari is asking, courses available at your platform are enough, or we need to refer other books? I don't think you need to refer any other book after this. How to gauge whether my English vocabulary is sufficient to crack civil service examination, write general study, answer or comprehend newspaper? इसका सिंपल सा आंसर है, अगर आपको जो हिंदू एडिटोरियल लिखा है उसमें अगर आपको 5 से ज़्यादा इंग्लिश के वर्ड समझ में नहीं आते, 5, अगर मोर देन 5 आपको नहीं समझ में आ रहे, देन यू नीड टू डेवलप योर वोकेबलरी. अगर आपको 3 से 5 में दिक्कत हो रही है, देन योर वोकेबलरी इज ओके. इफ इट इज लेस देन 3, योर वोकेबलरी इज गुड. ओके. एंड इफ इट इज 0, देन इट्स लाइक ऑलमोस्ट at the level of Shashi Tharoor. Okay. Is it absolutely clear? I hope you will remember this. So if let's say you have issues with more than 5 words, okay, हिंदू एडिटोरियल आप पढ़ रहे हो और आपने जो भी 1-2 एडिटोरियल पढ़े हो, उसमें 5 से ज़्यादा वर्ड आपको समझ में नहीं आए. फॉर एग्जाम्पल लेट्स से उसमें कॉमनली वर्ड यूज होता है, राइट? आपने देखा होगा. सो दे राइट दिस वर्ड अ लॉट, ऑस्ट्रासाइज. दे राइट लाइक दीज काइंड ऑफ वर्ड्स आर देयर, राइट? पैराफर्नेलियाज. सो अब ये मतलब आपको मतलब पता है इसका, नहीं पता है. So if there are more than 5 words like that, then you need to work on your vocabulary. Now, how to work on your vocabulary? So you take these same words, you write in a register or an online Excel sheet, and you write the meaning in front of it. Okay? So you take the same word and you keep on doing this till you have 3 to 4,000, 5,000 words. And once you have 3 to 5,000 words, then you don't need to do. You will not be able to. You won't need to do anything, and you will remember everything. Okay? So ostracize, paraphernalia, and so on and so forth, all beat. So there are difficult words. Sir, if we have interest in reading, then is English or history a better optional? अरे दोनों में पढ़ना पड़ेगा. You go through the previous year question papers, you see the syllabus, you see the content which is available online, offline कहाँ से तैयारी करोगे? You ask people who have taken these optionals, and only then you decide which optional you have to choose. यही तो डिस्कस कर रहे हैं, आंसर राइटिंग स्किल्स तो डिस्कस कर रहे हैं हम इन कुरैशीज में। हम 12th क्या बीए में एडमिशन लेना तो फिर कम आया से 21 घर वाले बीटेक करवाना चाह रहे हैं। नहीं नहीं, 1-2 साल से नहीं फर्क पड़ता, आप 21 में बनो 22 में बनो नहीं फर्क पड़ेगा। ओके, आप बीटेक भी कर सकते हो, बीए भी कर सकते हो, जो आपको करना है आप करो। Sir, as being a working professional, can I target 2020 as I haven't started with syllabus? Will be very difficult. Very, very difficult. Pranam Guruji, Shubh Sandhya. Tell me strategy mindset for last 15 days for any competitive exam. Thanks for visiting platform. So last 15 days में you keep on doing what you're doing. Increase your study hours to 12 to 14. Take adequate sleep of 8 hours. Don't talk too much to people outside. Focus on revision. Don't try to learn new topics. Keep to yourself. Talk to your mother, father if they are encouraging. Otherwise, avoid it. And don't think too much about your future or past. So everything will be decided. And don't worry. ठीक है, I'll talk to the team regarding this. What is the approach for the answer writing for a new UPSC aspirant? That's literally what we are discussing. Thank you. Yes, I think EMIs are available on credit cards for now, but they are available on select cards, so you can check it. How much time to give daily for studies if I have 1 year? 8 to 10 hours will be sufficient for 1 year. 8 to 10 hours. While writing approximately how many points, like 6 to 7 points, fine for 10 marks, what would be your suggestion regarding this? So it is like 150 words, अब उसके हिसाब से देख लो आपको कितना बड़ा आपका पॉइंट है. How to read NCRTs effectively. I'll take a class on this, a specific class on this particular topic. 2021 एस्पिरेंट बिकॉज आपका एग्जाम ही सितंबर 2021 में होगा, एग्जैक्टली 2 years, so you should go for 2 years and it's further discounted. So if you use my name, you'll get further 10% off. So if you go for 1 year or 2 year, 2 year will be better. The way to get questions for answer writing daily, you can start with previous year question papers, and then there are a lot of Unacademy educators, you can follow them, they will give you a lot of questions. We are also planning to launch a mains test series. Is this course for 2020? I'm appearing in 2020 and asking. Yes, yes, 100%. हाँ, जैकेट प्राइम लर्नर्स के लिए भी, ये वाली जैकेट की बात कर रहे हो? आई थिंक यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट दिस. या, सो लेट मी टॉक टू द टीम. Sir, your views about Citizenship Amendment Act. I'm saying let it fold out, let it like go out. Okay, don't have premature judgments, and we'll discuss it later on detail. Mein, a lot of people have already made a lot of videos on this. How to start basic writing, like writing skills till now. How should I start? Hmm. So basic writing देखो लिखो, मतलब you just have to start. You just have to write one answer a day. There is nothing which you can do about it. समझ लो, एक आंसर पर डे रखो and just you move on from there. That's the minimum which is required from you. Is this course for 2020? My last attempt is in 2020. So yeah, this course is for 2020. Every course which I am taking is for 2020 because it will finish 10 days before the exam. सर आप कहाँ जा रहे हैं? कहीं नहीं जा रहा, मैं तो बैठा हूँ यहाँ पे. Which one is more scoring, history or PSIR? See, again, it depends from aspirant to aspirant. Okay, so you don't worry about it. Okay, so it will depend from aspirant to aspirant. Both are good. Sir, since I have started my prep in Oct, it takes a lot of time to collect the content for the answer. Is it okay, or should I collect content for some days then write? So you collect the content right then and there from your book, or you collect the content right then and there from any blog or from any video or whatever you want to do, from your notes, whatever works. Don't wait for anything. So don't wait too much for anything at all. Okay. हर आंसर में इंट्रो लिखना जरूरी है? मैंने लिटरली उल्टा बताया आपको पंकज अबू सरिया, मैंने लिटरली उल्टा बताया ना कि हर आंसर में इंट्रो लिखना ही नहीं है। आई होप इट इज एब्सोल्युटली क्लियर। ओके, ये तो मैं उल्टा बोल रहा हूँ आप। सर हाउ टू रीड एनसीईआरटीज इफेक्टिवली? So you basically start reading NCRTs and then you go on from there. Like we'll take a separate session on this properly, but don't think too much. We already covered this. तीन part में divide करना होता है उसको. Do you remember? Have you seen that video? How should you start writing? You start writing your answer. I'll give you some samples if I take a plus course later on. But I write very simple answer. Is it absolutely clear? So I write very simple answer. Is it clear? So I don't write complicated answer. I write very simple English. I write very simple keywords, very simple phrases, etc. So that's all I do. Like nothing much beyond this. Good evening, sir. Not able to recall matter. Which matter are you talking about? Where to start answer writing 2020? Just take previous year question papers. So from December, how to give answer? See, अगर आपका प्री में सिलेक्शन नहीं हो रहा है, वेरी गुड क्वेश्चन बाय नदीम, कि भाई प्री में सिलेक्शन नहीं हो रहा है तो जनवरी से पढ़ने लग जाना अच्छे से, फुल फोकस ऑन प्रीलिम्स। और अगर आपको लग रहा है कि हो जाएगा तो फर्स्ट फेब से पढ़ने लग जाना फुल फोकस, ठीक है? सो यू कैन गिव वन एक्स्ट्रा मंथ इन जनवरी इफ यू वांट। कैन आई बिकम IS 21 डूइंग इंजीनियरिंग अलॉन्ग विद डूइंग BA विद ओपन यूनिवर्सिटी नाउ इन 12th? सी डोंट डू ऑल दिस नॉनसेंस, ये नहीं फर्क पड़ता, आप अभी थोड़े छोटे हो इसलिए समझा रहा हूँ। आप 21 में क्रैक करो, 22 में नहीं फर्क पड़ेगा आपकी लाइफ में ज़्यादा। You just have to like rub it and get on with it. That's all I keep on saying. कभी कभार चोट लग जाती है लाइफ में, बस आगे बढ़ो और कोई उसमें लोड नहीं। So if you have some genuine issues, you can take psychiatric help also, but nothing much you can do. Please tell some non-fiction book other than common UPSC material. यही बचाता जिंदगी में। अरे कुछ और पढ़ने की जरूरत नहीं है। अरे टॉपर वॉपर बहुत बकवास करते रहते हैं, 50 बुक्स पढ़ ली, 100 बुक्स पढ़ ली, ये किसी अमर्त्य सेन की बुक पढ़ ली है, कुछ कर लिया, ये सब नहीं करना है, ठीक है? अपना पढ़ लो चुपचाप, उतना हो जाए बहुत है। सर विच ऑप्शनल इज मोर स्कोरिंग, हिस्ट्री और PSIR? पीछे ही पड़ गया यार आप हिस्ट्री PSIR के, मेरे को नहीं पता सर, डिपेंड करेगा ना एस्पिरेंट पे। हिस्ट्री में भी नंबर आते हैं, PSIR में भी नंबर आते हैं, आपको क्या आता है उस पर डिपेंड करता है। विच इज बेटर, राजमा चावल और दाल मखनी? तो इट वेरीज ना, इट विल डिपेंड ऑन द पर्सन हु इज ईटिंग इट, उसको क्या पसंद है। सर कैन वी कंप्लीट द आंसर विदाउट राइटिंग कंप्लीट सेंटेंसेस? आई मीन ओनली बुलेट पॉइंट, सुटेबल schematic diagram and an IBC approach will do. Yes, that's what I'm saying. You don't really need to do that. That's all I'm trying to say. Without writing complete sentences with suitable schematic diagram. Yes, exactly. That's what I meant. That you don't need to write a complete answer. Ah. How can I improve essay, and is it necessary to improve vocab? Can I not use normal words? That's what I said, that you don't need to have a very powerful vocabulary. Vocabulary is basically needed to understand stuff. Okay. तो ज़्यादा चाहिए इसलिए क्योंकि आपको समझना है, रादर देन कि आपको वहाँ पे लिख के आना है, समझ रहे हो? ज़्यादा भारी भारी वर्ड्स मत लिख के आना, इट विल बी डेट्रीमेंटल फॉर यू बिकॉज द एग्जामिनर विल नॉट बी एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड, दैट इज ऑल्सो एक्सट्रीमली क्रूशियल। सर कौन सा टेलीग्राम लिंक? नहीं है सर मेरे पास टेलीग्राम चैनल। सर आई एम BSc थर्ड ईयर स्टूडेंट अपियरिंग 2021, हाउ मेनी आवर्स शुड आई स्टडी, प्लीज सजेस्ट? यू शुड स्टडी for 6 to 8 hours because you're a college student. You should try to cover at least 40 to 50 hours a week. Sir, how to deal with those mains question which you have no idea about those question? कभी कभी आंसर राइटिंग में बहुत दिक्कत आती है, तो बिल्कुल ही बाउंसर है तो कुछ नहीं कर सकते उसका, फिर तो इम्पॉसिबल है डील करना, राइट? इफ आई आस्क यू द प्रोसेस टू डू पेनक्रियाटिक सर्जरी, तो आप लोग नहीं बता सकते अनलेस यू आर अ डॉक्टर और अ सर्जन, इजंट इट? कहाँ से बताओगे? बिल्कुल ही बाउंसर आ जाए तो कुछ नहीं कर सकते, बट लेट अस से कोई जेनेरिक टाइप क्वेश्चन आ गया तो फिर फॉर्डर मटेरियल से उसको भर देना, ठीक है? चारा खिला देना वहाँ पे, चारा घोटाला कर देना आंसर में, एंड विल गेट मार्क्स. So that you will need to check with UPSC prospectus. I think that will be much better. When do absolute beginner start answer writing practice? So you take some courses, Vikas. You don't need to take all the courses. So absolute beginner should start answer writing practice once they are done with NCRTs or before. Okay, so you can do it today also, up to you. So absolute beginner should start answer writing practice immediately. That is better. Please resume a daily MCQ course. So all those MCQs will now be available, okay, in those 2500 plus, right? तो पहले मैं क्या कर रहा था, सो वो सारे के सारे जो इंपॉर्टेंट एमसीक्यूज हैं वो कंबाइन ही हुए उसमें, एंड विल कवर एवरीथिंग. ठीक है. सर आई एम फ्रॉम हिंदी मीडियम, सो मैनी पर्सन टोल्ड मी दैट फ्रॉम हिंदी मीडियम गेटिंग लो. If you want to change, you can. Otherwise, just stick with it and go for it. How much time to sleep while preparing? 7 to 8 hours. Some people sleep for 6 to 7 hours. Please start EMI option for payment. Yes, so not started answer in 2020. Then start now today, Ankit. So Ankit is asking नहीं चालू करी तो आज चालू कर लो. Sumit Pal is asking, sir, I am in class 10th. I want to be an IAS officer but I'm very weak in maths. Can I crack UPSC good rank? I am following the class 8. सर जी आप मुबारक हो, आप काफ़ी लंबे समय से पढ़ रहे हैं हमसे. ओके, सो एनीवे, सो दिस इज़ ग्रेट एंड आई होप कि इट हेल्प्स यू टू क्रैक द एग्ज़ाम, बट कुछ ज़्यादा जल्दी आ गए आप. मतलब मैथ्स इज़ नॉट समथिंग विच इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर इट, बट या कुछ जज्बा है आपके अंदर. You just focus on your 12th class right now, 11th, 12th. But don't focus too much on maths. Focus on NCRTs, cover it, and focus on some Hindu reading, etc. Sir, if I'm good in reading, is history or English a better optional? Rakesh Kapoor, happy birthday to you, Shivani. Thank you so much for wishing me happy birthday. Thank you, Rakesh. Thank you. ब्लॉक और कर्सिव को सम टीचर से कर्सिव माइट डिफिकल्ट टू रीड फॉर चेकर, कोई समझ में आनी चाहिए, सीधी सी बात है. देखो सिंपल सी बात है, समझ में आनी चाहिए अल्टीमेटली, दैट्स ऑल. सर आई एम नॉट बिगिनर बट सिंपली हाउसवाइफ, मदर ऑफ 8 month बेबी, ट्राइंग हार्ड नॉट गिवन प्रॉपर्टी सजेस्ट. So Bharti, congratulations on doing like 3-4 jobs at the same time. But I hope that you are able to take out at least 40 hours a week. Okay. So try to manage. When you are with your baby, start my plus class. उसको भी नींद आ जाएगी, आपकी पढ़ाई भी हो जाएगी, right? So you can just play that, do some things like you have to do out of the ordinary. उसको चला के छोड़ दो, सुनते रहो बैठ के. Okay. So anyway, I hope you crack the exam. Sir, is in case an educator course completed, blah, 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 blah. You can ask doubts from other educators. That is like the best thing you can do. So please tell us about the strategy from December to 31st May prelims and simultaneously. So after February, you should not focus on the mains examination at all. You should focus full-fledged on the preliminary examination. And obviously उसमें मेंस की अपने आप प्रिपरेशन हो जाएगी, तो इट्स नॉट पॉसिबल दैट कुछ भी कवर नहीं होगा. हाउ टू अपडेट विद करंट अफेयर्स नोट्स. So you cover it basically. What more you can do? So you just update them यार. मतलब जो मेरे MCQs हैं 2500 उसको करेंगे, उसमें से कर लेना थोड़े बहुत. Now there are some last points which I want to cover. So highlight the important points and facts. Can you see I highlighted it? So like maps, diagrams are important. This is how highlighting, underlining is done. Don't highlight it, just underline. So relevant facts, examples, current news with respect to issues. This is very important if you can do it. Maps, diagrams are very important. Tone should be optimistic. Never dump excessive information. Okay, don't be generalist. So you have 20-25 question, 3 hours, 10 markers, 150 word, 250 words, 8 से 10 मिनट मिलेंगे. So unless you are like super duper pumped up and your practice is top notch, it will be impossible to complete all the questions. So one must manage their time properly in the exam hall. ठीक है? So you have to answer 20-25 questions. You have to get 8 to 10 minutes for every question. So unless you practice it, it's impossible to complete all the questions. ठीक है? So इसीलिए मैं बोलता हूँ एग्जाम हॉल में क्या है, फिर कुल्फी जम जाएगी आपकी, आप बिल्कुल फ्रीज हो जाओगे. इज इट एब्सोल्युटली क्लियर? आपकी बैंड बच जाएगी. ठीक है? अशोक खेमका सर के इतने ट्रांसफ़र हो रहे हैं, कोई कुछ क्यों नहीं बोलता? उनसे बात हुई थी अभी, वो बात करता हूँ, पूछता हूँ उनसे, कोई कुछ क्यों नहीं बोलता। नहीं, तो करंट अफेयर्स अपडेशन ट्रिक, जस्ट गो फॉर माय कोर्स, अदरवाइज ई नोट्स हैं तो बहुत इजीली हो जाएगा। सो डज एन अकेडमी हैव सोशियोलॉजी प्लस कोर्स? यस, 100%। आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट दिस कोर्स, मिशन यूपीएससी सीएससी 2021, 2 year batch course. Okay, this is going to be a great course for those students who are preparing for 2021. So उसको अच्छे से पढ़ लो, उसमें कोई लोड ही नहीं है, इजीली हो जाना चाहिए। सर एज यू टोल्ड देयर इज नो आइडियल आंसर, देन शुड वी रीराइट द आंसर अगेन? अरे कभी भी रीराइट वीराइट मत करना, बोर हो जाओगे। देखो ज़्यादातर लोग पता है सब कुछ क्यों छोड़ देते हैं, आपको पता है? कितनी सारी मूवी आपने चालू करके छोड़ दी, कितने सारे गाने आपने चालू करके छोड़ दिए, कितने सारे आपने यूट्यूब और फेसबुक पे वीडियो चालू करके छोड़ दी, कितनी सारी बुक्स आपने चालू करके छोड़ दी, कितनी सारी दोस्ती आपने चालू करके छोड़ दी, राइट? कितना सारा खाना खाते हुए छोड़ दिया, बिकॉज यू विल गेट बोर्ड इन लाइफ। 90% of the things which you will start you will never finish. Okay, this is the atal satya of life, whether it's people, whether it's food, whether it's music, songs, TV, whatever. Okay, it's impossible, your brain is not supposed to be like that to focus is something which you have to develop. सो आप उसको जितना झिलाओगे ना रीराइट करवा करवा के कुछ भी, तो वो अगली बार से लिखना ही बंद कर देगा, ठीक है? तो प्लीज डोंट डू दैट, हेल्प योर ब्रेन, इट विल हेल्प यू। सर बेस्ट ऐप्स फॉर मेकिंग नोट्स, नोट्स ऐप ऑफ एप्पल इज ग्रेट, एवरनोट is good, OneNote is good, Google Doc is good, etc. Sir, should answer writing be started just after covering of NCRTs? Yes. Sir, NCRT book is best और NCRT वीडियो समरी, बट सर मुझे वीडियो थोड़ा अच्छा लगता है ना, क्या छोड़ दो फिर बुक्स, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है सर, अगर वीडियोज अच्छे हैं तो। सर मुझे 2020 फर्स्ट टाइम देना है, मैं 19 मैंने प्लस कोर्स लिया है, सितंबर 500 में पूरा हो गया कोर्स का, बट अब क्या करो, एनी स्ट्रैटेजी सर फॉर मी? पढ़ते रहो सर, प्लस कोर्सेज को देख लो, चार्ट डालो उनको अच्छे से इतना चाटो उनको कि बिल्कुल ही सब दिमाग में बस जाए आपके, ठीक है? So that is the perfect strategy, Rishabh Sharma. Monu Kumar, congrats for your marriage. Thank you, sir. DK Nagaraj, please tell me preparation tips. Okay, ये तो डिस्कस कर रहे हैं पूरे वीडियो में। सर डिबेटेबल टॉपिक्स लाइक अयोध्या ऑडिट्स ये आ जाएंगे आपको, गवर्नमेंट का, यू हैव टू बी प्रो गवर्नमेंट, व्हाटएवर एक्ट्स पास्ड एक्सेट्रा, यू कैन डू सम minor constructive criticism, but by and large you will be the one who will implement it. Okay, yeah, I will figure out about that class, how to evaluate our own answer. First of all, you should not do it, you should make a group of 3 4 aspirants who will help you do that, otherwise you'll always be biased. The other log, they are very critical. Yeah, we will develop it. We are working on mains test series, it will come out soon. How to remember history stuff, I am unable to remember it. I also can't help you in that, you just have to revise again and again. Can I crack IS while doing job? Yes, but it will going to very different. You have to study at least for 40 50 hours a week. Will same strategy applicable to state Andhra PSC? Yes, it is applicable to all the exams. The same thing. From Feb to May, is it enough for prelims preparation till that shall provide exclusive? Yes, that's what I was discussing. But if you are not sure whether you are able to clear the prelims examination or not, let's say you're not 90% sure, then you should not focus at all right now. Okay. Now you don't need to be very proficient in English. Just write in simple and lucid manner, and don't write in complicated sentence, flowery language. Don't add too many words. So your handwriting need not be beautiful. मतलब पढ़ने में आनी चाहिए, ठीक है? And you can join test series on an academy. We are about to start. So my course is also starting on an academy. So ये 2 ईयर का करंट अफेयर का कोर्स है सर, अप्रैल 2018 से अप्रैल 2020 के सब कवर कर लेंगे। So April 2018-20 तक, and 7th February to 24th May. And you can use my name as a code Roman Seni to get 10% off, whether it's 1 year or 2 year subscription. So I'll take some few questions. How to evaluate our own answer? Don't do that. Make a group, that is better. Optional अभी लेना है, prelims के बाद सोचने से भी चलेगा. It's impossible. You have to select it right now. It's already too late. You should attempt now 2021. From February to May, is it enough for prelims preparation till that? Shall prepare for exclusive mains portion like ethics, world history, etc. So हाँ, मतलब जनवरी तक कर लो, इफ यू फील लाइक यू आर एबल टू क्रैक द एग्जाम, बट फेब्रवरी टू मई देख लेना, फिर थोड़ा रिस्की ना हो जाए आपकी लाइफ में। Pawan Patel, what should be the reading speed? Words per minute is important. How to improve it? Not focus too much on that, but anywhere within 10, 15 page an hour is more than sufficient, depending on the content. Thank you. Thank you for wishing me. Yeah, I got married. So Tushar is asking, I'm preparing for 2022. So what are the basic things one should keep in mind? How much hours? You can start with 40 hours a week. That is the minimum we should do. What's the condition for better answer writing? You keep on improving. Priya saying, happy birthday, sir. God bless you. It's not my birthday. So anyway, guys, it was amazing teaching all of you. Shivankar Sen Gupta is saying, congratulations, sir. Wish you a happy married life. Thank you, Shivankar. I'll see you and do enroll in an Academy Plus. Have an awesome day.